Hello, I'm Ed with Easy Camper Rental. Gonna go over this 21-foot north trail with the slide out. Go over a walkthrough with you so it makes your pickup a little bit easier. This camper does take a 2 and 5/16 ball. 2 and 5/16 ball. Also has a 7-pin electric brake connector. Here we have our LP tanks. A couple of little valves just push down. You can turn your tanks on or off. And actually, just for viewing purposes, I'm going to pull it off. There is a little selector switch here in the front pointing at what tank it is on. So it's pointing to this tank currently. If you empty that tank, you go to this tank over here, flip the switch. Those tanks will be full when you pick up. And we'll walk around this way here. A storage compartment here. Probably going to have some of your tools, some of your wood. It's also going to have some stuff for leveling out the camper. We have a stabilizer jack here in the front. They are in all 4 corners. This is your water heater. You won't have to use anything back here. Everything you need for this will be inside the camper. Come over here. This is where we have our power. Plug it in. About 25 feet you can use this to plug in, and it'll plug into power. In the back of this bumper is where you'll get your sewer hose. Your sewer hose will connect right here to this sewer, and then you just twist it on and you have your sewer waste, which is your black tank, which is your toilet water, and then you have your gray water over here. I would like you to do the black water first and then the gray to rinse out the pipe. Then dump 2 5-gallon buckets of water into the camper toilet, and then pull the black and flush the black one more time. Stick 1 more 5-gallon bucket into the toilet and leave it in there. Then you take the hose back off and put the hose into the bumper again. Come back here. This is where you have your city water connection. I'm not going to talk much about it because I don't really want you to use it. Inside here there is a little spot for a shower. You can hook up, do a little rinsing off. You got too much sand or something on your feet, you can do that. Over here, this camper actually has it so you don't have to dump water into the bucket with those 5-gallon buckets. You can hook a hose up to here and turn the hose on, but make sure you have this valve back over here open for your black water, as that is flushing out your black tank, black water tank. It's flushing out your toilet tank. So make sure that's open when you have a hose turned on here. So you do not have to use a 5-gallon bucket. And then when you're done, you can shut the valve and run a couple of minutes of water into there so it has about 5 gallons of water in there. Alright, we'll keep coming around here. Another jack. Here's where I'd like you to fill the water up. Fill the water tank up here and use the water pump to pump water throughout this camper. This camper is equipped with an electric awning, so we are lucky there. This step just kind of pulls right out, and we can hop on in here. Once you come on inside here, there's a little door here. This is how you operate the awning, and this here is where you're going to operate the slide. This little red switch here is if you're plugged in. That red switch, when you flip it on, will turn red, and that'll run your electric water heater, the electric water heater. And then if we go back through here, this is your thermostat to run the furnace or to run the air conditioner. So you can run either one of those through there. Back here, we have our toilet, our bathtub, and our sink. And the gauges to run this are on the back of the wall here. And you have your water pump here. This is how you test it, and this is to turn the gas part of the water heater on. Gas part of the water heater. Lots of storage back in here. And we'll come out here to the fridge. It has a gas side and an auto side. Usually you'll just run it on auto, but depending on what you're using it for. If you're just plugged into a regular household outlet, you're going to run this on gas if you're using the air conditioner. If you're going to use the air conditioner and the fridge, you need to run the fridge on gas, or you're going to keep blowing the circuit because it is not big enough to run the air conditioner and the fridge. And when you're first starting these campers, you probably want to run them on gas. They will cool faster on gas. Alright, and inside this camper, the table is behind this futon, or this couch that folds down. Once the slide goes out, there are a set of holes in the floor down there. Can't really see them without the slide out that the table will go into. So this camper here will sleep 3 to 4 people. And once again, I am Ed with Easy Camper Rental. Thank you for watching the 20-foot North Trail Edition video.